Home Minister Amit Shah was accorded a warm welcome with Manipur's traditional songs and dance as he arrived in Imphal this afternoon. Heavy security was deployed in and around Imphal city ahead of Union Home Minister Amit Shah's visit today, where he laid the foundation stones for several multi-purpose projects. Shah addressed a public gathering at Hapta Gangjaibung ground. He also inaugurated Thoubal multi-purpose project worth Rs 1,998.99 crore and Bishnupur Tupul Thoubal Kasom Kulan Road worth Rs 475.68 crore. The Union Minister also laid foundation stones for 7 major projects, including the Churachandpur Medical College estimated to cost Rs 325 crore, Triple IT worth Rs 128 crore, ITSEZ worth Rs 950 crore, and State Government Guest House worth Rs 237.49 crore, among others. Shah is also expected to meet representatives of several civil bodies. India reported the lowest spike in daily coronavirus cases today with 18,732 new COVID-19 infections. This is the lowest daily infection since July 1. The country's total tally has mounted to 1,187,850 according to data provided by the Union Health Ministry. With 279 new deaths, the total mounted to 1,47,622 as of Friday. The total active cases in the country stand at 2,78,690, with 21,430 new discharges in the last 24 hours. The total of discharged cases stands at 97,61,538. A team of Narcotics and Affairs of Border (NABBED) police station arrested a man and seized 30 kg of opium from his possession at MANTRIPUKHRI in the outskirts of Imphal yesterday. He has been identified as Lakhanjit Kumar, aged 19 years, son of Ramsakal Ray from Aurai, Muzaffarpur in Bihar. A case has been registered over the incident at NABBED police station, a report said today. Lumfelpot Collective Farming Cooperative Society has called upon the government to cancel the eviction order issued by the district administration. Lumfelpot Collective Farming Cooperative Society Treasurer Ratan Kumar Thongam told Times of Manipur Television the society is a joint body of Thangmaiban Lomi Lup and Lumphel Lomi Marup. He said that Revenue Village number 91A 3001-3002 along Lumphel Housing Complex was officially recognized by the previous government. Ratan condemned the land demarcation work carried out against the court order dated December 22. Qingjao Nungai Ching Development Association, Lilong Qingjao, concluded a 2-day social service camp today. The social service camp was carried out at Qingjao, Nungai Ching and Taibangpali. Association member Abdul Malik emphasized on the importance of cleanliness to keep the mind and body healthy. Santosh Huidrom, aged 11 years, son of Sanjit Kumar from Ishok Awang Lekai under NAMBOL, rescued a trapped heron last evening. Santosh later handed the heron to the members of Wildlife Explorer and Times of Manipur Television Bishnupur Special Correspondent Dr. Huidrom Raman this morning. However, the heron was too weak to fly. Santosh rescued the bird when he was collecting food for his Japanese squirrels. The bird was later released. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today urged India's manufacturers and industry leaders to amplify the call for vocal for local by making more and more indigenous products. He also said that the manufacturers should ensure that the country's products are world-class. Addressing the final Man Ki Baat session of the year 2020, Prime Minister Modi said, "I call upon our manufacturers and industry leaders that when people have taken determined step forward and when the mantra of vocal for local is resonating in every house, it is time to ensure that our products are world-class."